I can say this, we will do large deportations from Springfield, Ohio, large deportations. We're going to get these people out. We're bringing them back to Venezuela.
Hello, welcome back guys. I hope you're all good. My name is Marcos. If you're watching this video for the first time, please remember to subscribe, remember to comment, remember to like. Now, I think by now we all know Donald Trump won the presidential election in the US. And one of the major promise he promised his people is this issue of deportation of the illegal immigrants in the US. Now, let's watch this video first before we talk more.
Donald Trump wins the 2024 presidential election. What could this mean for undocumented Jamaicans in the United States? In this video, we'll break down how his policies could impact illegal Jamaican immigrants and the risks and potential outcomes they might face. Trump has made it clear that he's focused on what he calls securing the borders and cracking down on illegal immigration. During his 2016 and 2020 campaigns, his administration implemented some of the strictest immigration policies in modern U.S. history. If he were to win in 2024, it's likely that he would try to revive or intensify these policies. For undocumented Jamaicans, one of the main concerns would be the risk of deportation. Under Trump's previous administration, there was a significant increase in ICE raids and deportations of undocumented immigrants, even in communities that had long been safe for these individuals. A return to Trump's leadership could mean renewed fears of raids, increased presence of immigration enforcement, and potentially an increase in deportations. Jamaicans seeking legal residency in the U.S. may also face more challenges under Trump's policies. He has historically supported limiting pathways to citizenship and increasing scrutiny on work visas, family petitions, and asylum applications. For Jamaicans who may already be in the process of adjusting their status or applying for residency, this could mean longer wait times and more restrictions. Many undocumented Jamaicans live in vibrant Jamaican American communities in cities like New York, Miami, and Atlanta. A Trump presidency could make life in these communities more uncertain. Donald Trump has always advocated for strong immigration enforcement. For many, including a significant number of Jamaicans, this is not just about policies, it's about safety. When undocumented immigrants enter the U.S. illegally, they may contribute to criminal networks back home, sending money and even firearms to Jamaica to fuel violence and crime. It's crucial that the U.S. prioritizes legal immigration and tightens its borders to prevent these issues from escalating.
Welcome back guys. I hope you have watched that video till the end. Now, we have seen there are almost 1 million illegal immigrants in the US. I think you can all agree that is a very, very serious number. Now, a bigger question here is, what are our leaders doing about this? Because 1 million immigrants in a foreign country and you are the leader, why are people leaving your country? You know, that's a serious question. I wonder how our leaders take this, because imagine you being the leader watching the news. Then in the news you see 1 million of your people will be deported back because they are in a foreign country illegally. I think that is a big fail for you as a leader. Now, what are our leaders doing about this? Because why should someone go find a home, a job somewhere else? I think our leaders should be providing jobs for us. They should be providing comfort for us. Now, why should we be leaving our country and going to a foreign country, especially US, illegally? In fact, they are not even able to provide illegal documents for us to go there. Now, we have to go there illegally. This is a very big question, guys. I don't know what you guys can say about this issue of illegal immigration. What do you think about this issue? How can this issue be resolved? Because it's a very serious thing and it's really not a good thing, because you're being deported from a foreign country because you are there illegally. It's not good. I think our leaders should step back. According to me, I think our leaders should step up. They should provide jobs. They should provide comfort for us I should not have a reason to go and stay in the US because there's nothing in my country. I don't find comfort in my country. So personally, I think our leaders have failed us. So tell me what you think in the comment section. Let's interact. Let me see some of your views. How can this issue of illegal immigration be solved? Thank you for watching this video. Remember, if you haven't subscribed, please remember to subscribe. Thank you.